Dear students, welcome back to physics online class. So in previous session we were discussing on capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. So in case of that capacitance of parallel plate capacitor, so we derived the expression for capacitance between the two plate when the two plates are placed in a parallel manner. So we got that equation for that. So that is C naught is equal to epsilon naught into A divided by D. So capacitance of parallel plate capacitor without dielectrics, or in the sense I can call this one as a air is act as a dielectric medium. So in this situation I got this formula, C naught is equal to epsilon naught A divided by D. On what factors that capacitance of parallel plate capacitor depends here? So it is directly proportional to area, and this capacitance is inversely proportional to distance between the plate. And so now let me consider that one dielectric medium. The dielectric medium is fully placed between the plate of the capacitor. So for example, let me consider that two plate here. So I will name it as a and B. Between these two plates, so let me place one dielectric medium. So that dielectric medium having a value dielectric constant K. So in this situation, so what about its capacitance value? So if I place the dielectric medium between the plate of the capacitor, whether that capacitance value will get increase or otherwise it will get decrease, I need to understand. So for that purpose, in last video we got that equation for that. So that is C is equal to K into C naught, or in the sense say C is equal to K into C naught means epsilon naught A divided by D. It means that capacitance is directly proportional to dielectric constant. It means that whenever if you place the dielectric medium, its capacitance value goes on increases. Why? Because C is directly proportional to K, or C is equal to K into C naught. So this is the equation. So capacitance is directly proportional to dielectric constant here. So now let me consider one dielectric medium. So that dielectric medium having a thickness T. So that dielectric medium is partially placed between the plate of the capacitor. Here I placed fully. So entire space is accumulated by a dielectric medium here. Instead of placing that entire space, so let me choose that small portion here. So I will consider one dielectric medium, its thickness value is T. So partially if I place the dielectric medium between the plate of the capacitor, how that capacitance value will get respond, I need to understand here. So let me derive an expression for capacitance of parallel plate capacitor when dielectric medium is partially placed between the plates here. So when dielectric medium is partially placed between the plate. So then what about its capacitance value, I need to find out here. So for example, I will choose that two plates here. So these two plates are placed parallel to each other, plate A and plate B here. Plate A is accumulated by positive charge, whereas plate B is accumulated by the negative charge. So in previous videos already we discussed the concept related to principle of capacitance. So one is positive plate, another one is negative plate. Between these two plates, so there exists a certain kind of separation. Let me take it as a D here. Now I will consider one dielectric medium here. So that dielectric medium is not completely filled, so partially it occupies that very small portion here. Let T be the thickness of this dielectric medium and its value, dielectric constant value is K. Now what will be the capacitance value, I need to understand here. So now let me consider that separation between the plate is D here, okay, and so thickness of this dielectric medium I will take it as a T here. Now what is that space here? So air space, for example this distance is D and this distance is T. How much space is remaining here? So in this space air is accumulated. So what is that value here? So this distance is t and this one is t, means so air is accumulated by a remaining space, so that is d minus of t here. So did you get my point? How much space that air is occupied between the plate here? So that space is d minus t. Now let me calculate that. So what is the work done to bring unit positive charge from that plate B to plate A here? So let me consider that work done to bring unit positive charge from B to A. So basically we know the concept of potential. So what is the meaning of potential? So amount of work done to bring the charge particle from B to A here. So look at here, work done to bring unit positive charge, work done to bring unit positive charge from B to A. So that work done I will take it as a electrostatic potential. So V is equal to what? So V is equal to work done to bring unit positive charge from B to A. So that work done is stored it as a electrostatic potential here. So this work done I will categorize into a two aspects. So that is work done in case of air plus work done in case of a dielectric medium. So work done in air plus work done in case of dielectric medium. Here. So let me take that value. V is equal to, in general I will take that W of A plus W of medium. Work done in case of air plus work done in case of a medium. So work done is force into displacement. So force in case of air here. So force in case of air. What is the displacement or what is the distance between the plate A and plate B? So now this distance is d I consider. So thickness of the dielectric medium is d. So what is the remaining space between that A and B in air? So that is d minus t. So did you get my point? What is the distance between plate A and plate B in case of air here? So air is accumulated here and accumulated here. So what's that remaining space here? So that remaining space I will take it as a d minus of t here. So the portion covered by the air between the plate, so that portion is d minus of t plus of work done in case of the medium, and now I will take that thickness of this medium, dielectric medium. So that thickness is d here. So I will name this as a equation 1. So what is the relation between force and field here? So F is equal to E into Q here. So here unit positive charge, so that is 1 coulomb I will take. So V is equal to, so F in the sense F is equal to E into Q, where Q value is 1. So or in general I will take E of A into d minus of t. Why? Because Q value is equal to 1 plus of F of M is also E of M into t here. So hope you are getting here. Next one. So what is the value of electric field between the plate of the capacitor? E is equal to sigma by epsilon naught. So let me fill that value here. I will name this as a equation 2, where electric field in case of a air medium. So E is equal to sigma by epsilon naught. If material medium is present, so sigma divided by K epsilon naught. Why? Because electric field is inversely proportional to dielectric constant. So in case of that air, sigma by epsilon naught. In case of the medium, sigma divided by K epsilon naught. If I fill that E of A and E of M value in equation 2. So let me take this one as a equation 3 here. So I will substitute. So I will substitute equation 3 value in equation 2 then. So I will rearrange this equation. So V is equal to, wherever E of A is there, so shall I take that sigma by epsilon naught here? Sigma by epsilon naught into d minus of t plus of E of M means, so that is sigma divided by K epsilon naught. K epsilon naught into t here. So that is V is equal to this much. So Now sigma is nothing but a surface charge density. So that is nothing but sigma is equal to Q by A here. So let me write that equation where sigma is nothing but a surface charge density. So where sigma I will take it as a, where sigma is equal to, so shall I take this one as a Q by A, then V is equal to what? So V is equal to, so sigma in the sense Q by A I will take it here. So that is Q divided by A, already in denominator epsilon naught term is there. So I will take it as a epsilon naught into D minus of T plus of sigma means Q by A into K epsilon naught into T here. So I got that V value here. So now I will take that capacitance value. I know the connecting formula for that capacitance and voltage here. So C is equal to Q by V. We know that C is equal to Q by V here. So I will fill that V value in equation 5 here. So let me fill that V value in equation 5 here. If I do like so, Q divided by, or shall I take this one in this equation, Q divided by epsilon naught A into epsilon naught common term or constant term here. So common I will take Q divided by A into epsilon naught. So if I take that common means, so this is D minus of T plus of T by K here, T by K here. So Q term will getting cancelled out here. So epsilon naught into A, so that term will goes to numerator. So that is epsilon naught A divided by D minus of T plus of T by K. So this is the required equation for capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor when dielectric medium is partially placed between the plates here. So in that situation, so I got that equation epsilon naught into A divided by D minus of T plus of T by K here. So look at here, if I place that dielectric medium between the plate of the capacitor, so if the dielectric medium is completely filled means, so generally I will take that equation as a C is equal to K into C naught here. If the dielectric medium is partially filled means, so this will be the required equation. So that is C is equal to epsilon naught into A divided by D minus of T plus of T by K, or in other sense if I take the T as a common factor here, so I will rewrite this equation in another form. So that is so this equation I will rewrite in another form, that is C is equal to epsilon naught into A. So D minus of T I will take between these two terms, T I will take it as a common term. So that is 1 minus of 1 by K here. So these are all the equation for capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor when dielectric medium is partially filled between the plate of the capacitor. So look at here, when you place the dielectric medium, I said that capacitance value will get increase here. Why? Because capacitance is directly proportional to dielectric constant here. So capacitance value will goes on increases if you place the dielectric medium here. So whenever if you place the dielectric medium means, so its capacitance value will get increase I said, but I want to get that same initial capacitance value. For example, if the dielectric medium is not there means its capacitance value will be C naught here. So after placing the dielectric medium also I want to get the same capacitance value, means after placing this dielectric medium if I want to get the same value means what should I do here? I have to vary the distance here. Why? Because capacitance is inversely proportional to distance here. So from this equation C is equal to epsilon naught into A divided by D here. So C is inversely proportional to D here. It means that, so if I increase the distance here after placing the dielectric medium also, if I increase the distance, then what about its capacitance value? So capacitance value goes on decreases here. So look at here, after placing the dielectric medium, capacitance value will get increases here. So initially, so if that medium is not there, in the absence of medium its value is C naught I said. In presence of that dielectric medium, I got certain value here. So dielectric medium is partially filled, its thickness is T amount I said, its value is K I said. Now in this situation, its value will be C here. Now I want to get that same original value as a C naught here. In order to get the same original value as a C naught, after placing the dielectric medium also means I need to increase the distance here. Why? Because if I increase the distance between the plate means, so its capacitance value will get decreases, again it will reach us to a initial value. For what distance I need to increase in order to get the same capacitance value here? So hope you are understanding this concept. So look at here. In order to get the same capacitance value, I need to increase the distance between the plate. Let x be the distance between the plate, distance between the plate here. So let x be the distance between the plate in order to decrease its capacitance value. So in order to decrease its capacitance value to a C naught, so how much distance I need to increase here? Let d be the distance between the plate in order to get same as initial capacitance value. So look at here. So I will use this equation, C is equal to epsilon naught into A divided by, so that is initial distance is d. So I want to increase the distance some more. So x amount of distance I am increasing. Shall I take that distance as a d plus of x minus of t term? Minus of t term is there. So plus of t by k here. So hope you are understanding here. So look at here. So d plus of x minus of t plus of t by k. So that is the effective distance I get it. So this entire distance, let me take it as a d here. So the d is equal to d plus of x minus of t plus of t by x here. So look at here. D term will getting cancelled out. So x is equal to what? So x is equal to t into, so if that term is shift to the left side, so minus t becomes plus t minus of t by k here. If I take the t as a common factor, so look at here, x is equal to t into 1 minus of 1 by k here. So look at here. In order to get that same as a original capacitance, after placing the dielectric medium also, you want to get that same C naught value means I need to increase the distance here. How much distance I need to increase here? So x is equal to t into 1 minus of 1 by k. If this much of distance is increased means, so I will get the same capacitance value. Why? Because if distance or separation between the plate is increased means, so its capacitance value will get decreases. I will get that original capacitance value here. So hope you are understanding the concept. So look at here. So after placing the dielectric medium, capacitance value will get increased here. So in order to get that increased capacitance, so that increased capacitance value is C. Now I want to get that same initial value as a C naught after placing the dielectric medium also. Before placing the dielectric medium, its value is C naught. After placing the dielectric medium, its value will becomes as a C. Now after placing the dielectric medium also, if I want to get that same as a C naught value means I should increase the distance between the plate, or separation between the plate will get increased means, so what happens here? If the separation between the plate is increases means its capacitance value should get decreases here. How much distance I need to increase here? So x is equal to, so how much distance I need to increase here? X is equal to t here, where t indicates that thickness of the dielectric medium, t into 1 minus of 1 by k here, where k represents